Good evening, India. I am Ankita Singh, and you're watching Channel 6 Network's Evening Bulletin. It's a new day, and we are here to bring you the latest updates from across the nation and beyond. So stay tuned as we dive into the top stories this evening. In a shocking development, West Bengal Governor C.V. Anand Bose has requested Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to submit a detailed report on the alleged rape and murder of a young doctor at Ajikar Medical College. The body of the doctor was found in a seminar hall on August 9, sparkling a public outrage. Allegations implicate a former high-ranking police officer demanding a thorough investigation. Delhi has now overtaken Lahore to become the world's most polluted city. Due to severe smog and temperatures, visibility at the Indira Gandhi International Airport is at an all-time low. Disrupting flight operations, emergency measures have been enacted, yet residents continue to face dire health risks from the worsening air quality. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court has introduced strict pan-India guideline on property demolition, with an emphasis on judicial oversight. The court voiced concerns over the inhuman impact on vulnerable communities, underscoring the need for fair and lawful procedures in demolition practices. In a strategic move, former US President Donald Trump has named tech entrepreneur Elon Musk and political figure Vivek Ramaswamy to head a new department of government efficiency. Their mandate is to streamline federal operations by cutting down on bureaucratic red tape and reducing excess spending. Local election campaign retailers are struggling as political parties increasingly shift to wholesale channels for campaign materials. According to Yogesh Parekh, a Mumbai-based retailer, parties are now procuring bulk items directly from wholesalers in Gujarat, effectively sidelining the smaller vendors. Kiran Rao's Lost Ladies set for Oscar campaign with new poster. In the latest from the entertainment world, filmmaker Kiran Rao's movie Lapata Ladies has been renamed to Lost Ladies. As it kicks off its Oscar campaign, the newly unveiled poster has generated significant buzz for India's representation at the Oscars. In an advisory to Ajit Pawar's faction of the NCP, the Supreme Court has recommended avoiding the use of Sharad Pawar's name and image in campaign materials. Additionally, the faction may adopt a distinct symbol to reduce confusion among voters. The battle between Shiv Sena factions intensifies as allegations of cash distribution emerge in Jogeshwari East Maharashtra elections. As accusations fly, tension rises between rival camps, adding fuel to an already high-stakes political race. A shocking incident in Chennai today as a government doctor at the Kalaignar Centenary Hospital was stabbed by a patient's son. The attack was ignited concerns about the safety of medical professionals and public hospitals, prompting calls for stronger security measures. Thank you for watching Channel 6 Network. Get more details on channel6network.com and do follow us on social media. Good night.